This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Dina Grandy. Cute front porch greets you to this well-maintained home west/updated kitchen and dining room. Open the sliding glass door to a fantastic outdoor retreat. Set up your tables and umbrellas and lounge on double-deck west/gated pool area. Detached garage is ready for all the extra pool toys, man cave, or she shed. This home has central HVAC, newer roof, newer vinyl-insulated windows. Move-in ready. Nearby military bases: Portsmouth Coast Guard Base, Norfolk Naval Shipyard, Portsmouth Naval Hospital, and Churchland schools. For more information, review the details below.